regenerative medicine. In the future, we'll hear a great deal more about this. Techniques for cures that we would regard as miraculous today will become commonplace in the future. I asked Professor Bradley Stringer this morning for his view.
We've got something absolutely wonderful here that we can do that the Americans can't, and it's about time we utilise those sorts of technologies that we've developed for the future of UK PLC.
Now that's an astonishing claim. Here in this city of Newport, we have the intellectual property. It's our genius that's created the solutions to the future's problems. Already there are techniques for parking our immune system. The immune system can be taken from a healthy person, and if later it's damaged by chemotherapy, by disease, by a dirty bomb, the immune system can be put back into the patient in a pristine condition. We have techniques that can be developed for treating heart patients. Instead of someone who has a heart attack being told to sit in a chair for the next 5 years until you have the next heart attack and take these damaging drugs and be unproductive, the hope in the future is that we'll be able to use regenerative medicine for rebuilding the diseased heart muscle, to restoring the heart into its healthy condition. The person can then live a full, productive, useful life. But will we repeat what's happened in the past on so many occasions? In the last century, Britain won 78 Nobel Prizes for science. Japan won 7, Korea none. But the appliance of our science has mostly taken place in other countries. I spoke to Lord Drayson, the Science Minister, about this a month ago, and he's bubbling with enthusiasm. He knows the possibilities there are for regenerative medicine, but we must act. We must support our companies now, many of them embryo companies, to make sure they lead the advance of regenerative medicine. It needs commitment, it needs a vision from our politicians. We mustn't repeat the errors of the past. What will lead us out of the credit crunch is innovation, and we have it. We're up to our necks in innovation in Britain's science-rich community. What we need is vision of investment to ensure that this time UK PLC does prosper as a result of our appliance, of our science.